Welcome to the next module. In this module, we are going to learn about kernel and boot commands. So the first command in kernel that we are going to look for is uname-r. Now, what is this uname? Uname command basically prints the system information, and -r command will print all the kernel related versions. So version number will be printed here itself. If we see in detail, if we want to know more about the kernel locations, how the files are being stored, how it is being considered, then at this time we will need to press locate, and we will have to type with locate. We'll have to search for one of the file, that is vm space linus, and if we press enter, we can see in the boot section we have this file. So if you want to know more about this file, you can definitely read this file. So for this thing, I just have to press /boot cat/boot /vm linus enter. So this file might be readable, might not be readable. It completely depends on how this file is there. So I'll just press Ctrl+C for now. I guess Ctrl+Z only, because it has stopped my kernel, because this file is very big to read. And this is how you can just know more about the kernel. We also have one more file that we want, that is we can locate it directly, that is initrd. That is, this file is basically used as a temporary file wherever the kernel is being loaded, and vm linus was actually the Linux kernel. The next command, that is locate config. Now locate config file always has this configuration settings. So anything related to the devices, any printer, any Wireshark application, or any of the devices that we are seeing here are basically being configured by this .config file. So every single PC will have this configuration files where it is being loaded. Then the next command, that is lsmod. In this lsmod, you can see that it is currently loading many of the applications or modules. So you can see lsmod is loading all the applications which are required, and it is telling us that this is the module name, this is the module size, as well as when it is being used, or it is used by which application or the hardware. So this is how the booting process or Kali Linux kernel level things are being analyzed. I hope you have understood this video.